In this video, we'll cover how to adjust the elbow height on the Girard GG750 awning with solar station. On your screen is a list of tools required to perform the following procedure. To begin the procedure, the awning should first be extended approximately 12 inches from the wall. To raise the elbow, using your 17mm wrench, rotate the top bolt clockwise, being careful not to over-tighten, as this will result in damage to the awning. Then use your 19mm wrench to loosen the bottom bolt. Repeat this step on the opposite elbow if needed. To lower the elbow, use your 17mm wrench to rotate the top bolt counterclockwise. Then use your 19mm wrench to tighten the bottom bolt. For either adjustment, close the awning completely and ensure its smooth operation. That the lead rail lies flush and square along the length of the cassette, and that the arms fold inside the cassette without any binding or interference.